What's the meaning of cacophonous? Cacophonous. Cacophonous.
Cacophonous. Cacophonous. Cacophonous is an adjective that describes a harsh, jarring, and unpleasant sound. It is often used to describe noises that are loud, chaotic, and discordant. A cacophonous sound can be created by a mixture of sounds that clash with one another or by a single sound that is excessively loud or grating. It can also refer to the use of words or phrases that are harsh and discordant to the ear. The result of a cacophonous sound is often discomfort or distress to the listener, and it can be used to describe anything from a noisy concert to a disruptive argument.